Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best cabinet lighting is probably one of the most transformative upgrades you can make in your kitchen or workspace. It instantly elevates the ambience, providing both functional task lighting and a touch of modern elegance. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just looking to brighten up your space, the right under cabinet lights can make a world of difference, enhancing both the look and usability of your area. Number 5. LAFULIT 20-inch LED under cabinet lighting kit. Introducing the LAFULIT under cabinet lighting kit. This kit includes everything you need to brighten up your space. It's easy to install and provides excellent lighting. The kit features 8 pre-cut 20-inch light strips and various connectors. You can customize the layout to fit your specific needs. It's flexible and easy to adapt to different spaces. Enjoy warm white light with adjustable brightness. You can easily control the brightness levels with the remote or dimmer. It offers 6 levels of brightness to suit your preferences. Control the lights with either the included remote or the mini dimmer. The remote offers various functions, including brightness control and timer settings. The dimmer provides simple on-off and brightness adjustment. Set a timer for the lights to turn off automatically. The lights also remember your preferred settings. This ensures the same brightness every time you turn it on. These lights are perfect for kitchens, cabinets, and more. Installation is quick and easy with the strong adhesive. You'll enjoy the lighting for a long time. What we like. This kit offers a truly customizable lighting experience. With its flexible design and multiple connection options, it allows you to fit lights exactly where you need them. If you are looking for a lighting solution that adapts to your space and preferences, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The lights are easy to install. The lights are very bright and illuminate the countertops well. The slim design of the lights makes them easy to hide under the cabinets. Number 4. Inlight 12-inch LED under cabinet light. This under cabinet light is hardwired only, with no plug-in option. It's designed for a clean and seamless installation under your cabinets. This ensures a tidy look in your kitchen or workspace. The light measures 12 inches in length, 3.5 inches in width, and 1 inch in height. It's ETL listed, which means it has been tested for safety. You can be confident in its reliable performance. It features a 5-watt built-in LED module, equivalent to a 40-watt incandescent bulb. It emits 350 lumens with a 3000 K color temperature, similar to halogen fixtures. The high 90 CRI ensures accurate color rendering. The design includes multiple knockouts for an optimized hardwire installation. The slim 1-inch thickness allows it to hide perfectly under the cabinet. This provides a sleek and unobtrusive lighting solution. This light is dimmable with most standard dimmer switches. You can easily adjust the brightness to create the perfect ambience. It offers flexibility for various lighting needs. What we like. This light provides a sleek and permanent lighting solution. Its hardwired design ensures a clean look, while the dimmable feature lets you set the mood. If you are renovating your kitchen and want a reliable, long-lasting lighting upgrade, it is a great option. What people say. The lights are easy to install. The brightness is perfect for under cabinet lighting. The design is sleek and modern. Number 3. EShine LED under cabinet lighting kit. Tired of fumbling for switches? These lights activate with just a wave of your hand. It's easy and convenient, perfect for any space. Adjust the brightness without touching anything. Simply hold your hand under the sensor to dim the lights to your desired level. It's that simple. These LED lights are designed to save you money. They use only 18 W of power and last for over 50,000 hours, making them an eco-friendly choice. Available in warm or cool white, these lights offer a sleek and modern look. Plus, they come with a 3-year warranty for peace of mind. Installation is a breeze with multiple options. Use screws for a permanent setup or 3M stickers for a damage-free solution. Wire clips are included for a clean look. What we like. This product brings convenience to your fingertips with its touchless control. Simply wave your hand to turn it on, off, or adjust the brightness. If you value ease of use and a modern touch in your kitchen, you'll love it. What people say. The lights are easy to install. The lights are very bright and illuminate the countertops well. The design is sleek and modern. Number 2. GETINLIGHT 18-inch LED under cabinet lighting. This under cabinet lighting offers 3 color temperature options: warm white, soft white, and bright white. You can easily select the ideal setting for your kitchen with a simple switch. The lights are easy to install with both hardwired and plug-in options. The package includes all necessary hardware and cords. You can connect up to 20 units to a single power supply. The design allows for flexible installation with knockout holes every 4 inches. Its slim profile fits neatly under cabinets. Note that only one knockout is available on the 9 and 12-inch models. This lighting is compatible with most wall dimmers, allowing you to adjust the brightness. It also includes a high-low switch for non-dimming applications, giving you full control. The product complies with safety standards including ETL listing, Energy Star, and the lighting facts label. This ensures reliable and efficient performance for your home. What we like. This light offers versatile installation options and adjustable color temperatures. You can easily switch between warm, soft, or bright white to match your kitchen style. If you want flexibility in both installation and lighting ambience, it is a great choice. What people say. The lights are easy to install. The lights are very bright and illuminate the countertops well. The design is sleek and modern. Number 1. UltraPro 24-inch under cabinet lights. This under cabinet light offers 3 color temperature options: warm white, cool white, and daylight. You can easily select the perfect lighting for any task or mood with it. With a compatible in-wall LED dimmer, you have complete control over the brightness. This allows you to create the ideal ambience in your kitchen or workspace. Installation is a breeze with the included mounting hardware and push-in connectors. It's designed for hardwired installation, making setup quick and simple. The energy-efficient LED technology ensures a long lifespan, eliminating the need for frequent bulb replacements. It's a worry-free lighting solution. This light is available in multiple sizes to fit your specific needs. You can choose from 12, 18, 24, 36, and 48-inch options. Enjoy peace of mind with the limited lifetime warranty. This product is built to last and backed by a commitment to quality. What we like. This light offers a range of color temperatures to suit any kitchen design. With its easy installation and dimmable feature, it provides both convenience and customization. If you want to easily change the look and feel of your kitchen, it is a great option. What people say. The lights are easy to install. The light is bright and lights up the entire counter. The lights are dimmable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.